Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. For you that don't know, my name is Nakia and this is Nikki. And we are here today because I wanted to share some exciting news with you about a new venture that I just started. And that is I have become a brand partner with a company called Savvi. And just check that out there. That's the name of the company. And so, yes, it's still in packages because what I'm going to share with you guys today are the goods that I've just gotten with my first order with the company. But before we get into that, I want to let Nikki, who's been with the company for some time, tell us a little bit about herself, her experience with the company, and to give us a little bit more insight into Savvi.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Nikki. My friends call me Nikki. I'm Nicole Giuliano on Facebook. And I've been with Savvi for over 2 years now. We are a community-based clothing brand with high quality athleisure for just any woman who wants to feel confident in what they're doing in life. And I'm so excited to have Nakia as a brand partner with us and to spread the word about what we're doing with this amazing brand.
Absolutely. And I'm excited to get started too because this is my first venture with them. And I am super excited to actually dive into these packages to see what I got with my first order.
Me too.
And for any of you that know me, you know that I am all about comfort, all about textures, all about what feels good on my skin. I'm not a fan of things being super tight, irritating, anything like that. But I also like to look cute. Don't we all like to look cute? Okay. And
Effortless.
so, yes, absolutely. And so that's the thing about athleisure wear is that you get the combo, the comfort as well as the cute or chic, whatever you want to call it. So first, I'm going to open up the Kerry legging.
Ooh.
So yes, he came in the packaging. Let's get feeling all excited, like
Love it.
OMG.
So this is one of my favorite things about being a brand partner with Savvi is that when you get packages in the mail, it's literally like Christmas. And it's even more like Christmas when your friends get packages in the mail and can open them up with you and you can see what they got and just be really excited that you know that they're going to love what they got. Oh my gosh.
Absolutely.
Yay.
Yes. And look, they have pockets. Woo.
Amazing pockets.
Yes.
So,
and this material feels fabulous. I love this. Awesome. Can't wait
to see that on.
Yes, exactly. That'll be the next video. I'll let you guys see how it looks. And so what's our next one here? This is the Stella hoodie.
Love it.
So it comes in a package like this. And I tell you, I love hoodies. They are like my lifeblood. As you can tell, I have one on now, right, too.
They're a staple in Texas, too. If you live someplace in the South, it's traditionally a lot hotter. A lot of times when you walk into a place, it's always air-conditioned. I have to have a sweater or a hoodie on me so I don't freeze.
Yes, I agree. And even during the summer months when it's super hot here. And it has a little protective lip over the zipper. I love it. Ugh. This is so awesome.
High quality. They put a lot of attention to detail in these pieces. And even going as far as all of these pieces are fit on actual live models. So these are not just sketches, one size fits anybody sort of thing. They really tailor this to different size live models on everybody. So you know you're going to get a good fit.
And that's awesome because that's sometimes the issue. It's not always the best fit. So our next item is a part of the Savvi Conscious collection.
Yes.
So it's a 2-piece, set. So let's open this one first.
And so with the Conscious collection, all of these pieces are consciously created. I know. So that you can feel good about what you're wearing. These pieces are made with 80% recycled water bottles. And then they're actually in the process of creation. Oh my gosh, that is stunning.
Yes.
That is
super
stunning.
cute?
Oh
My goodness.
hot yoga is going to look great on you. Oh my
Yes.
gosh. The other great part of the Conscious collection is that when these are processed, it's a blue sign certified. So what they're washing these in are going to be good for you and the environment.
Yes, and these are the matching leggings also with pockets. pockets.
Love pockets on my leggings.
Yes, yes. And I love this color. I think this was current, I want to say, but don't quote me on that. But I have to double check. Or was it, this is the Audrey legging, but I have to confirm that color because it might have been something else that I ordered that was current, but looks similar, but it's not. But it's still a cute color, whatever the name is, right? That's what I say. All right. And so this is
KW sweater.
the KW sweater. Oh, yes. Now I remember this one. Oh, my goodness.
Another stunning lightweight sweater for Texas fall. This is love this.
Oh, my goodness. I feel the layering happening already. And I love the sleeves. So, you guys are going to have to wait till I put it on to see how it falls. But definitely gives you that very comfy feel. I love the texture. Love the material. Nice and soft. Very much ready for layering. So this feels so awesome.
Oh, and I love the logo placement too. So a cool little thing about our logo that you'll see in all the clothes is this means moving forward together. So that's one of the big things that I love about Savvi is we're not in this alone. It's a collaboration. We are moving forward together. I love that reminder.
As a community, sometimes we get caught up and feel like we're so isolated, but why not share? Why not join, and lock arms?
Ooh,
Oh
stunning.
my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll start with this one first. So this one is the Katrina crepe sweater.
So this is one of my absolute favorites in a sweater.
Yes, I've been watching her wear this one, and I'm like, okay, I need one, my own.
Love that you got the blue.
And I got the blue one, yes. And I tell you, this material feels so awesome. And Nikki wears hers in so many different ways. It's so versatile. So there's no one way to wear any of these items. But she showed me her last outfit, and I'm like, okay, I see. But the material feels awesome. This is the opening for the sleeve. So it gives you that relaxed fit look.
It has a nice drop dolman sleeve. It is, so even too if you get real hot, it's one of those that you can wear that you don't feel like it's going to hug you too tight.
Okay, so I'm going to have y'all brace for these next two pieces because these are fire. I love this material. I'm always a fan of it. Whenever I see it, it's like I gravitate towards it. However, this is the Natasha velour top.
That color is
OMG.
gorgeous. I know.
And so,
I know.
Long sleeves as well. This feels fabulous. It does have somewhat of a little slouch if you want to, not a whole lot of action, but it gives you that loose fit around the neck, and then you have the gathered waist, so you don't feel frumpy in it. It gives you that contour fit.
Really feminine.
Very.
Yeah.
And this feels so awesome. So this is the top. Are y'all ready for the bottoms? Because of course I had to add matching bottoms for it. But I went a different route with it as far as my bottom color, because I just wanted to do some contrast here. Guys, check this out. Do you see this color?
So these are perfect for the holidays. This is going to be your favorite Christmas outfit.
Yes. Absolutely. Look at this color. If you guys could feel this, oh my goodness, it is insane.
The quality is next level.
Yes.
That is elevated. It's elevated athleisure.
Very much so. And I feel comfortable just touching it already. It's bad enough we're out for the holidays, and everybody's all anxious and trying to figure out what they're going to wear and what they're going to do. So the anxiety levels are already rising. So how nice is it to still be comfortable while looking cute and being involved in all the festivities? So yeah, I'm really excited about this, and I have one last package. So let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. So this is a t-shirt. So it's the Helena
your tank top. Yeah.
Yes. Oh my goodness, this feels phenomenal. Oh my. So
Gorgeous.
yes. and it is super, super soft. And you see we have the logo on here as well, which is pretty cool. So this feels great. So taking my workouts next level, super cute, super cute. And just if I'm out and about and I want to be comfortable, still be super cute.
Absolutely.
This is so awesome.
You will get stopped and you will get asked what you're wearing.
Absolutely, absolutely. Did you want to share your coat? Because I got one too.
Oh, yes.
But yeah, I did get one of these coats as well, and I wore it all weekend as I traveled to the East Coast, where it definitely came in handy because it was super cute and warm. So I'm gonna let Nikki show you hers here. So that's the wisteria coat, and it's like a 3/4 length. Let me see if you guys can see that. Nice length. Love the pattern, love the color. It is phenomenal.
It keeps you warm, but it's not one of those coats that are too bulky. It's very light. You can move around in it. I wore it this past week in Illinois, and it was under 30 degrees, so it was literally freezing, and it kept me warm and fashionable and just...
Yes, warm and
cozy.
fashionable. And funny thing is, it has the pockets on the front. Love the pockets. I also have sized up in that one, so if maybe I wanted to add another layer underneath, it allows, I have enough space to do that, or if I don't, then it's not super frumpy or anything like that. It also has a hood, so that's super beneficial as well.
And a really nice large hood too. It's not one that's going to leave you feeling suffocated. Just a cute little cover.
Exactly, exactly. And also the zipper up front is two-way, so you can, unzip from the bottom. It has the two at the bottom, so that came in handy if I just need to go in my pocket really quick. Maybe it was something on the inside. I didn't have to unzip my entire coat just to get to it. So I thought it was super, super cool. But yeah, I love it. I love it. So
the wisteria coat.
Yes, yes. And so, like I was mentioning in the beginning, we are brand partners with the company Savvi, and we definitely wanted to just come in and share with you some of the awesome goods that I just got, and I'm just getting started. And you'll see more as I order more pieces, and I know Nikki has several, and I'm always eyeing them every time I catch her. Like, ooh.
Well, we drop new items every single Friday. So every single Friday, there's something new, something to love. If you don't get it this Friday, tune in next Friday. You'll see something new.
Yes, yes. And that's really exciting. So you don't always have to wear the same thing. Always some new style, new colors come out as well. So definitely we are more than happy to continue to share, information with you. And also I have a link that I'm sharing with, some people who actually watch the video that will allow them to get, a percentage off their first order.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed what we showed you today, and be on the lookout for more. Have a good one.